What's up, everybody? The Blur airdrop is live right now. You have 60 days to claim it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to exactly claim it, where to trade it, how to add it to your MetaMask, and all of that great stuff. So let's get right into it. If you've been watching our channel, I've shared every step of the way of this Blur airdrop from number 1, 2, and 3. And now we're ready to claim it. I'm going to go through a few different accounts and claim as much as possible. Awesome, so we signed into our account. We're gonna go to airdrop above here. This is airdrop 3 for the bids. You can see that I had 3.5 bid points. I didn't do much for airdrop number 3, not gonna lie, but I decent for airdrop 2, decent for airdrop 1, and I have multiple accounts. I'm going to claim as much as possible. So let's reveal this. Hopefully we get like, we got an uncommon. Okay, so let's continue to Blur, and now you can see all of the total boxes. I have approximately 40 boxes, and now we're gonna open these packages. So, Blur Season 1 recap. Let's see if I can continue. Turn on your sound for the best experience. Ooh. Definitely couldn't hear anything there. Awesome. Where's the skip button in the games? It's like skip. I'm gonna put that down. Skip. I just want my coins. They've done an awesome job, honestly, with the Blur website. The front page looks awesome. So let's open up my Blur. Open up Blur. Let's go. How many tokens did I get? I am very excited for this. This is super friggin' dope. Come to Papa. Damn, this is dope. They did a friggin' amazing job on this. 864 Blur, woo! So I need to tweet to claim Blur. That's honestly very stupid. I have multiple accounts, but might have to just end up unable to verify tweet. Check your tweet and try again in 13 seconds. Alright. So you need to tweet to claim your Blur. I'm gonna have to tweet a few times. So verify tweet, okay, connect wallet and claim Blur. And confirm transaction. You don't have enough ETH for gas. What the frig? How's this so much? Gas is extremely high right now. $99 to claim. We're seeing gas over 600 right now. So I think I'm gonna wait, but I'm gonna show you this right now. So once you go back into MetaMask, we can go to data, we can go to the Ether scan right here, and we can take a look at the Blur tokens. So this is the contract address for Blur. If we go back to Dex Tools now, we can make sure that we're looking at the correct Blur. So currently it's trading at 47 cents, and you can take a look at the chart. You can take a look at all the information on Dex Tools, all the last trades, the largest wallets that are holding, all that great stuff. You can take a look at total liquidity. So there's a ton, $1.75 million worth. So we'll all be able to sell our Blur if that's what you want to do. I don't think I'm gonna stack Blur. I'm gonna wait for it to pump and then maybe start offloading my bags. I don't have anything crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys how to claim and then how to find the contract address. You can go in MetaMask. So for example, come right here. We're gonna decline this unless it's a lot cheaper, $100 no. So what we're gonna do is come here. We are going to import tokens. You paste that in there. Custom token, paste that in there, and then you can see Blur is right there. I currently have 0 until I claim them. No rush to do so. We have 60 days to claim them, and I think we'll get the weekend dumpers out in the next few hours, days, while they claim and dump, and maybe we'll see an increase in price. No financial advice, but that's just kind of my train of thought. So head over to Blur, get your airdrop. You will have to tweet. It's worth it though for the free money, for the free Blur tokens. We've been on this airdrop from the start. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the largest airdrops moving into 2023. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go ahead on all of the accounts and add up all of the blur that I have and see how much I've totaled. So once again, enjoy the day, Valentine's Day, enjoy the free blur tokens, and I'll see